Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jill and I enjoy sharing different beauties, tips, tricks, and more using primarily Mary Kay products. So in my last video, you might have seen that I was recovering from COVID. I am doing better than I was in that video as well, so I'm excited to do another one for you. And I said that I would come back and do a Valentine makeover for you. So that's what's going to happen today. So I have our cute little Mary Kay bag that I absolutely love. So I have all my products in there. Today what I did is I went ahead and I got concealer on, I've got my CC cream on, and I also have my powder on. So I went ahead and pre-did all that today so that we could focus on the colors that I'm going to use for Valentine's Day. And I even have my little hearts on. Do something special today. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm sure some of you are covered in lots and lots of snow, which I'm so glad that we don't have here in Florida. I'm super happy about that because I have dealt with the snow in different places that I lived and it's not my most favorite thing. Okay, so here's our little compact that I'm going to be using with some of the colors today. And as you see, we have a little variety. So for the rest of this, I'm going to end up doing a voiceover so that it's easier for me to show you all the colors without having to talk during it. So let's get started. So the first color I'm going to use is Rose Gold, and I'm going to be using the all over eyeshadow brush to apply it. And as you see, it's one of my favorites because I seem to be running out of it already. I use it for a lot of different looks. So what you're going to do is just take that and spread it all over the eye area. And that creates a nice little base. Just go back and forth and blend it a few times. Make sure it's all blended in really well. And then this just takes a few minutes. So if you guys want to tell me what is new with you in your life, I would love to see some comments down below. Or if you are enjoying this video, I'd love to hear about it. Or if you have any ideas for some more things that you would like to see, please feel free to add that below as well. Or if you have any questions about the colors or anything that I'm doing in the video, you can also leave me a comment on that. So once you have the nice base coat all over the place here, then the next color we're going to be using the eye crease brush, and I'm going to be using Dusty Rose. And this is just a nice light color to accent a little bit in the crease area. And this brush is really good for getting in the area right around the crease and on the sides. It's angled, so it really helps to get it in there just the way that you want it. And then you just blend that in. Happened to notice a wonky eyebrow there, so went ahead and took care of that while I was doing it. And using my little mirror so that I can see. I've always liked to layer different eyeshadows. You can certainly wear them alone and accent them in different ways. But I enjoy having several colors on. I just feel like it has a more complete look for me, and I enjoy doing that. So it's a very subtle look. You can see it there. So the next one we're going to go with is a little darker, and this is my Sweet Plum. I'm going to be using the eye smudger brush. As you see, it's more together on the end. So I'm going to do this instead of eyeliner today, just adding the darker color around the lines of my eyes. And then I'm also going to come down underneath just a little bit, about halfway, and smudge that in as well. And the sweet rum. No, we don't have any rum on the makeup videos today, I assure you. Sweet Plum color is very pretty as well. And this can be accented with a lot of different colors that we have. And they all look really pretty together. So again, you're just going to blend in. And these bristles are a little thicker together, so it really helps put it exactly where you want it to be. And these are long wearing eyeshadow Chroma Fusion, so they're going to be on for most of the day. As I mentioned before, I did put a primer on before I started the video today. And the primer is just going to help everything stay on a little bit better. Next, I'm going to put on some Ultimate Mascara. And you'll see if you haven't been on my channel before how mascara can really transform the eye area, especially for someone like me who has really light lashes that are difficult to see regularly. So I usually tend to just go ahead with a black color to accent my eyes. And I'm really just doing one coat today, but you can see here in a minute that one coat really does make a difference from each eye. So then we'll just go ahead and do the other side. And since I am generally left-handed, it's awkward when I use my right hand to do things. So I think we all have that dominant hand that we like to use. So I'm going to, at least you get to see the eye that I'm doing, but for whatever reason, when I switch hands, I got to concentrate a little bit more on the other side. So kind of like a peekaboo effect here today. And it usually ends up getting some in my hair as well, which I don't recommend. And then I remembered that I had my Cool Quad colors from a previous catalog that were special. And I wanted to show you guys a little bit of accent color with that. They didn't name them specifically. Like I said, the whole quad was just called Cool Pink. So this is the lighter color. And I like to use this just to add a little accent in the inner corners of my eye. And then I also pop a little bit around the eyebrow line. And this just helps to add another subtle look to everything. Like I said, I really enjoy layering my eyeshadows. This is a really pretty color on its own as well. And then you see I'm just adding a little highlight on the edges, not a whole lot, just a little bit. And I just feel like it completes the whole eye look by doing so. So next I'm going to do my blush, and this is Hint of Pink. And then you just tap it off a little bit, get ready to dab it on. I really like this blush. It goes with a lot of different makeup colors. So it's one of my favorites. Put that on the apples of your cheeks, I like to call them, and then just blend really well. And as I've mentioned before, if you think you got too much on, you can always take your overall powder, either translucent or in the color that is suitable for your face, and you can go back over and fix it up if you think it's a little bit too dark. But I like the way mine went on today. So next I'm taking a True Dimensions lipstick, which you just pop the top, pull it out like so, and this is in the color Rosette, which is an absolutely beautiful color, I think. And I'm going to go ahead and put this all over my lips. This is very moisturizing. I really like this line. And then rub it in. But another little trick when you just want to take off some of the excess is to take a little tissue, blot down on it, and that just takes some of the extra off. And as you can see, it's a really pretty color that helps emphasize the rest of the look today. So another thing I want to do, because I absolutely love my lip glosses and I like to spice the look up a little bit, this is a lip gloss in the Sheer Illusion color. And I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit of this all over my lips as well. And it just makes a beautiful shine and adds a little bit more to the overall look. Not to mention, it is also very moisturizing as well. And this is a gorgeous color worn alone, but I really like the lip glosses to accent the lipsticks. So there you have it, a little Valentine look. Try to fluff my hair up a little bit from sleeping in braids last night. That's how this look came about. Okay, thank you so much for watching that quick tutorial for the perfect little Valentine's look. As you see, I didn't use any eyeliner this time. I just went ahead with the eyeshadows, and hopefully you can see all the colors as they came together. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and consider subscribing. I'd love to have you all back, and I hope you have a really amazing week. And I'm super excited because some new products are releasing, and should be getting my order in today within the next couple days. So as soon as I get those, I will be talking about all the new products that are coming and doing some demos because we have some new lipsticks as well. And I absolutely love sharing those with you. So have an amazing day, and I will see you all soon. Thanks. Bye.